Why do you post every day when you barely get 100 likes?
100 likes means 100 people took the time to watch something I created. That may seem small to you, but it motivates me. I know my audience is out there, and when they find me, they will support me.
Fries, regular fries, ketchup. Then to top it off, a nice little lemon drop. But hey though, this right here look fire. If you know me, you know I like my shrimp cut up, well done. Not too much vegetable, but right now I'm on my healthy stuff, so I got a little extra vegetable. Let's try the first bite. Let's see. I don't know. I tried it with no soy sauce, but hands down my favorite place is Golden City. If you know, you know. But let's try it with some soy sauce. Got the bad daughter. Come on. Okay. Rice good. Shrimp cooked just right. I'm not gonna lie. I like it. I give it a like a 9.5, but just only because of the vegetables. But overall, it's a 10 out of 10. Just in my opinion, you know. Yeah, that was decent. Now it's time to move to these little fries right here. Y'all know eat Chinese food and American food. If only they had sriracha. They got cappuccino. It's all good though. Oh yeah, let me try that lemon drop right quick. Let me see. Yeah. That's it.